Good evening all. I am Avanika Andrian from EC department. I stand before you today to pay tribute to a remarkable individual who has left an indelible mark on the history of Tamil Nadu and the nation, Thandai Periyar. As a staunch advocate of social justice, rationalism and self-respect, Periyar's contribution to the state and nation is immeasurable. Early life and social activism, born as Ramasamy Periyar. Periyar embraced rationalism and atheism early in his life. He was deeply distributed by the prevalent caste system and exploitation of women. Through his writings and speech, he challenged traditional norms such as sati and so on, and advocate for social reforms. Rationalism and self-respect. These are the main principles of Thandai Periyar. Periyar was a staunch advocate of rationalism and emphasizing the importance of critical thinking and scientific inquiry, such as the myths that were followed by Hindus and other religions. He exposed the myths, mythical things which was taught by those saints. He rejected blind faith and superstitious, arguing to rely on reason and evidence. His concept of self-respect movement aimed at empowering the marginalized sections of society, particularly women, by promoting self-dignity. Fight against caste and religious discrimination. Periyar's fight against caste discrimination was a defining aspect of his legacy. He championed intercaste marriages and opposed untouchability, advocated for a casteless society. Thandai Periyar was a true visionary who dedicated his life to the cause of social justice. His unwavering commitment to rationalism, self-respect and equality has made a long-lasting impact on Tamil Nadu and the nation. Let us remember his legacy to build a society that freedom from discrimination and injustice and untouchability. Thank you.